Yo, what's good? It's your bro Lo, and I'm bringing you guys another saucy weekly outlook video. Let's start off with EU. So I was recording, but I don't know why I always don't check to see if my mic is on. So my mic wasn't on. So, um, yeah, let's go back over EU, and then I'll go back with go back over the other pairs, which you guys never seen. So looking at EU, we did come and run all of these lows right inside of here. Right now EU is at a discount, so you can see we ran the sell side liquidity. We have this swing right here that took out buy side liquidity, took out sell side. This is our range right now. There's buy side liquidity right above this wick right here, and there's a PD array that I would like to sell in if we do come up above here. Now let's say if we do have a shift in delivery once we get down into this price point right here, then I'm willing to start buying. But right now there's no information for me to like kind of like start taking trades unless I was like a swing trader. But I want to see us dig into this fair value gap. You see this old low right here with sell stops, sell side liquidity. You do have this range right here with a breaker, down move, down candles right here. So you have an order block inside of here. So I kind of like this range. So we'll see what happens inside of this range, and I'm willing to buy. Now, if we do buy, I think if we do get into here and there's a shift in delivery, I think we could take out this high. But I am paying attention to this up candle right here, just in case we want to come in, react a little bit, and maybe even push lower. You know what I mean? So we'll see what happens. If price doesn't get into here first, then I'm 100% much more happier to sell if we get up above here to get into here. But if we get into here first, I'm gonna be a little bit more weary to sell, but I will still sell here and I will still buy here. All right, maybe even do a hedge, like buy here and then hedge here, depending on what happens. So yeah, that's it with EU. Let's do GU. Now GU, there is an up candle that I would like to frame a trade off of, because you see that we have these lows right here which has sell stops. Okay, you also have some sell side objective with this fair value gap, right? And you can see that we're kind of hovering right above it. You do have this down candle right here with this up candle. There is sell FEG up here, but I really don't want to. If we're gonna come down here, I don't want to see us get above this up candle right here. All right, so with that being said, I would love to sell inside of here. This is OTE in this range right here. You do have a little fair value gap. There's no price action inside, and then you have this up candle right here. So I'm looking inside of this range to possibly sell and possibly take out these lows. Now let's say if we purge these lows and come up, I still might sell inside of here just to get down to these lows right here, because this is, look, you see how clean this is. Like, retail got their stops like right under that shit. Like, you know what I mean? Long-term holders, we're gonna take that out. You know what I mean? So yeah, I think we're gonna take that out, especially since even if we don't take that out, it's still some sell side objective. You got this fair value gap right here, so, and this down candle and lower, which you already know. But yeah, that's it with GU. Once GU comes in here, I'm looking for a shift in delivery, and then I'll take the trade. I'm not gonna just put no random ass sell limit, unless there's some type of confluence and kill zone lines up, then I'll probably take it. But yeah, I think this might be a nice little sell. Okay, let's go to US30. So US30, there's a lot of liquidity built up, support right here, built up, pushing this up. You see that there's buy side liquidity resting right here, and if you see what's right above it, I'm gonna go over this blue zone real quick. I had marked it up, my mic wasn't on. So you see how, wait, let's go to the daily. Let's go to the daily. Okay, so the daily ran out a high right here, and then we ran out of, damn, my brother going crazy, we ran out this low too. So we have a new dealing range, okay, from this high to this low. All right, you have this down candle which made this move up right here, came down, this pushed up, came down, right? Inside of this down candle, this is what's first on the menu for me, right? Because we're above 50. since this is a new range, I don't know why this isn't above on this wick. Since we have this new range, I would love to see us get above 50 and maybe come into here and um give my model, and then maybe sell lower to possibly attack this low right here, because we did upset this already and attack this low, and maybe come into this down candle right here and then maybe push higher, or we could come a little bit lower, but it doesn't matter how low we come. I just want to see us get to this low right here, and even if I sell right here, this will be low hanging fruit anyway, so it doesn't even have to come down here. You know what I mean? But let's say we get through this, there's a little bit of fair value gap right inside of here, and there's a little fair value gap inside of here, so this is minimum that I want to see. I don't really care for it to come this high, but if it does, it might be like a very high premium to maybe sell that. But yeah, but this is what I expect first, so I'm paying attention to these areas right inside of here, and we can see what happens once we dig into this price right here. So yeah, let's go to gold real quick. Sorry if I'm not doing intra. Actually, let's do intra. Let's see what we got. I don't really want to do intra like that because it's nothing I see with intraday. We just got liquidity on both sides. Intraday, this is intraday. Once we run this shit right here and we come into here, this is intraday. Go into the 15-minute kill zone, line up with kill zone there. There's your intraday. All right, you guys got it. You guys get the point, right? This is the order block that's inside of above the 50. So we'll see what happens. You do see that there's a little bit of clean. I don't think it's that clean. No, these ain't clean highs. It kind of like rated it just a little bit, rebalanced this, came up, mitigation, and then displacement lower. So yeah, this is cool. That's a cool little area to possibly sell at. Okay, let's go to gold. So looking at gold, all right, so I called this, I mean, a lot of you probably already saw this, but I called this sell right here, and you can see the displacement we had. Now you can see that we created this up candle with this down move that took out liquidity, creating an objective. Now let's see if we can hunt for sell side liquidity. I think these lows are not safe at all. In this low, we're coming for you. All right, every retail trader that y'all still holding y'all trades right here, just know we're coming for you. All right, so what I would like to see is a nice retracement into this order block right here. I don't expect us to go above. I have a sell bias. All right, if we go above this high, then my sell bias is done for, right? You have this down candle right inside of here. Okay, let's see where's the 50% of this range right here. So it'd be a lot better if we sell above here. You can see that there's a little fair value gap inside of here. Maybe we could come above this candle. I do see like a little hidden order block inside of here, but I probably would rather see us come and fill in this inefficiency right inside of here. So let me go ahead and mark that out for visual purposes. This inefficiency right here, we could come into that and come into there and then sell lower, maybe possibly. Yeah, this would be like a little resistance zone for you retail traders. So yeah, this area right here, maybe a little bit higher. I don't know. You have this up candle right here. I think we're gonna go through that, especially since the 50 is above. It's not above the 50%. Excuse me. To attack, maybe get down to this low. It could be some buys inside of here, so I would pay attention to here too. Only because this low took out this low and had a nice displacement. So you know that smart money was in this move right here. You also have sell side liquidity that did get ran a little bit, but people might have their stop losses a little bit lower, right? So we could come down a little bit lower and then move up, and then maybe come into here and then maybe sell off, possibly. Yeah, possibly. Let me see something. Yeah, I mean, I would like to see this low just get taken out, but if we come down here, maybe I would like to see us retrace, then come lower and then take this out. But if we come down here first, it could be buy, so maybe come into sell sells, and then we could sell off and then start attacking sell side liquidity. But I don't expect this to break this high. If we do, then I'm sitting on my hands with gold and my bearish bias is off. Now let's go over silver, because silver is very, very interesting. All right, so looking at silver, right, looking at silver, you can see that we have relative equal lows inside of here. You also have this low inside of here. Now from this swing right here, we came into a premium, this order block right here, fair value gap. You can see the bodies hold it. We had a displacement lower, taking out this low. Inside of here is what I'm looking to possibly grab a sell at, to just dig into here just a little bit and then sell off. I don't expect this to have a deep retracement, because I expect these lows to possibly get taken out. Yeah, so let's dig into that area on a lower time frame and see what we have. So if you go into a lower time frame, you can see right inside of this area you have this up candle before the down move with a little bit of fair value gap inside of there. I want to see price get up into this and then maybe sell off. Yes, yeah. I want to see us get up into here and then sell the fuck off and then take out these relative equal lows. And I think this would be a very nice sell. I don't expect us to get all the way up here just to sell off and take out this buy side liquidity. You know what I mean? I don't expect us to do that before we take out this sell side liquidity pool. Now once we take out these lows right here, then and we start retracing, then you could expect us to start coming a little bit higher, maybe take out this high, then maybe to possibly move lower. But I don't know. First, this is on the menu. I'm not looking at deep premiums like that yet. I'm looking for this and then move lower. But yeah, this silver is a lot more interesting with this PD array. So hey, keep your eyes on this and let's see what happens. You know what I mean? Remember this analysis right here. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this weekly outlook. If you guys want me to go over more pairs, just type it in the comments, or message me and hey, let me know. Yo, go over more pairs. Go over this pair. Add that to your list. A lot more to go over. Even though I got these on here, I just go over these four. You know what I mean? Just to keep the video short. And these are what I mostly trade anyway. And if nothing is there on these pairs, then it's not clean, I'll go to other pairs. You know what I mean? So yeah, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go on and smash that like button. Go on and share the video if you want to. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week. Peace. I'm out.